Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to do airplane, which looks like this. Maybe I'm going to fail. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, we are the champion.
Okay, so if you want to do airplane, okay, my reaction, you must not do it like this. You must do it from the knot, and you do it from the knot and turn to the big cup. You swing it and it will turn and go inside. Like I said, just swing and it will get inside.
Last week was special day. Because this is a special video because you and me are challenge.
No.
Airplane. Any turn airplane. You can turn how many rounds?
No.
Okay. You will see. Lol, then it sucks. I win already. It's fast.
Yes.
So
Okay.
easy.
So if you want to do this trick,
Make sure
you
you
must
suck.
swing it and you turn beautifully. And you, if you go to here, you bend your knees and you bend and you turn and you go inside.
Lol.
Yeah. Okay. 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 Just swing it like this.
This
Interlimit.
Dugan.
Yeah.
Okay, now that
It's interlimit. It's an interlimit move.
see your interlimit.
Yeah.
Okay. See your
So you just need to swing it and get inside to the spike. Not like me. Okay. Like this. And you get into it. You just swing in. Yeah. I heard strike sound. You just need to swing at him. You don't pocket, right? Do not pocket. Yeah. So please subscribe and share and like and comment. This video sucks.